Hey guys, how's it going? How to get the new YouTube update. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. Alright, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click the search at the bottom right, and then just type right here YouTube. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just double check if there is a new update coming. So if there is, just go ahead and update the app to the latest version. Another way of doing that, if you updated the app and still facing that same issue of having, don't have that, basically the new features, go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings, and then go ahead to the general, and then go ahead to the iPhone storage. All right, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and scroll a little bit down till you find the YouTube app, click on it, and then upload the app. And don't worry, uploading the app won't lose your data or whatever it may be, or the essential information about you. In the contrary, it will keep that data in in the important information about your account, but they will refresh the app. And by uploading the app and clicking reinstalling the app, you're gonna be able to get back to it without needing to log in again. So you can go back to your screen and then go ahead to YouTube. And if you still haven't seen your update, just go ahead and click on new right here at the bottom right to see the new features. Click on the settings gear, and then right here click try experimental new features, and then basically you're gonna be able to see the newest updates right here. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.